Now this is class third C. Third C. Class third C, subject GSC, lesson 11. Lesson 11, light and sound. Light and sound. In this lesson, last time we have studied about the light and the sound. Sounds are different, we have also studied, and also studied about the noise. So what have you learned by reading this lesson? So first, light is a form of energy. Second, light enables us to see things around us. Third, sun is the natural source of light. And fourth, light is needed to make a shadow. Next, sound is also a form of energy like light. When an object vibrates, it makes sound. Sound can travel through air, water, and these solid things. And sounds are different: soft sound, hard sound, pleasant sound, and unpleasant sound. Noise is unwanted sound. Too much noise is bad for our health. Now, more to know. This is very important. We see things when light reflects them. We see things when light reflects them. And firefly is a luminous living thing. Firefly is a luminous living thing. So now we can see the worksheet 11. We can see the worksheet 11. Worksheet 11. Worksheet 11. First, we see A. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. So first, D is the natural source of light. So first, the light is the natural source of light. So first, you have to fill light. Sorry, the sun. The sun. The sun is the natural source of light. So first you have to fill the sun. Second, light enables us to see things around us. To see things around us. So second, to see things around us. Second, light enables us to see things around us. And third, can travel through air, water, and these solid things. So sound can travel through air, water, and solid things. So third, you have to fill sound. Sound can travel through air, water, and solid things. And next, fourth, when an object it makes sound. When an object it makes sound. So you have to fill here when an object vibrates. When an object vibrates. And fifth, you see, a shadow is formed on the side of light source. on the opposite side of the light source. On the opposite side of light source, first you see again, the sun is the natural source of light. So first, you see, the sun is the natural source of light, and second, light enables us to see things around us, and third, sound can travel through air, water and solid things, and fourth, when an object vibrates, it makes sound. A shadow is formed on the opposite side of the light source. So next we can write next one, that is the fill in the blanks. After fill in the blanks, take the right answer, B. Take the right answer. Take the right answer. So first we have to see the first. This is needed to make a shadow. First you see, this is needed to make a shadow. Three options are there: light, sound and the force. So light is the correct answer. Light is the correct option. So first you have to write correct against the light. Whispering is a unpleasant sound, hard sound or the soft sound. So here you have to take against the soft sound. Soft sound is the correct option. So second, soft sound is correct. And third, you see, chirping of bird is a unpleasant sound, hard sound or the pleasant sound. So it is a pleasant sound. So third, you have to fill as the pleasant sound. Pleasant and fourth, it may make a person hard of hearing soft sound, pleasant sound and noise. As you know, that is now noise. And noise, the correct option. So noise may make a person hard of hearing. So once again we have to see. So this is needed to make a shadow. Three options are there: light, sound and the force. So here light will be correct option. And second, whispering is a unpleasant sound, hard sound or the soft sound. So here whispering is a soft sound, so you have to take mark in soft sound. And third, chirping of birds is a unpleasant sound, hard sound and a pleasant sound. So this is a pleasant sound, and it may make a person hard of the hearing. Three options are there: soft sound, pleasant sound and noise. So noise can make a person hard of the hearing. So noise is the correct option. So in this way we can write these answers in our the copy. So you write these fill in the blanks and you take the right answer in your the cup. First you take in your the book, textbook, and then you can write in your the notebook. Thank you. That's what it is.